In this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature Ramen Haus. Now, what is that all about? Deirdre Thomas will tell us.
The first tangles of noodles, then a rush of steam. It's soul food crafted in Japan, now simmering into something unmistakable in New Kingston, Jamaica.
Ramen Haus is a DIY ramen cafe where you come in, choose any ramen, and you basically make a bowl by adding toppings.
The experience is intimate, experimental, and intentionally different, built around the idea that food should feel personal.
Like any other business that I'm involved in, I normally pinpoint businesses that to me are niches. So I saw it online. I thought that it would be a great idea to have such an experience here in Jamaica. Something that you don't necessarily have to jump on a plane. Another thing that I realized, we don't have a lot of restaurants that appreciate the, I would say, bonding in between partners or friends or family. Here at Ramen Haus, you'll be able to bond with your loved one, your friend, your family member by cooking a nice hot bowl of soup.
The Ramen Haus is exactly what the name promises, a house full of ramen, rich broth, layered flavors, and comfort in a bowl.
So basically, once you come in, you've already selected your ramen and your toppings, you'll be given a bowl where we have an induction stove where you basically cook your ramen. Other from a wide array of different ramens, we also have toppings such as beef dumplings, soup dumplings, kimchi, seaweed rolls, crab sticks, a very wide range.
Starting out, the financial leap was bold, with an initial investment of over 1 million Jamaican dollars. Growth has been anything but slow.
I would be able to say we've seen astronomical growth. We've been open since September, the 9th of September, and I'm able to say within the space of 3 months, we've almost done quarter what we spent.
Customers have responded. The reception has been strong.
It was very nice.
But located in New Kingston, its fast pace and high expectations have presented challenges.
New Kingston has changed. I mean, back in my days, New Kingston was like a hotspot of Kingston. You only come to New Kingston when you're doing business, and I think because of that, that would be our only issue right now, and hopefully we'll be able to venture out of New Kingston.
And so, Ms. Wilkinson is also looking to spread her wings elsewhere.
Our long-term goals definitely is to have several locations throughout Jamaica, and also to have a different kind of experience dining. Like, for example, we're hoping to go into hot pots.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.